General networking, network fundamentals, setting up a small office home office router, part 3. I want to show you what you can do if you're not sure if a router that you're going to buy is good for you. As you probably know, in many cases it's not enough to check, oh yeah, I need this feature, oh yeah, it supports my printer, oh yeah, that is... In many cases you want to check if the interface that you're going to use is good, easy to read, and you are going to find all options that you expect to have. Of course, you can download the manual and go through all these documents. It will take a lot of time, and sometimes it's not easy to find what you're looking for. What you can do, you can try and find a demo version of your router, or to be more specific, the interface that this router provides. I found a few examples for you. I tried to go for the latest, best routers. This is 802.11ac, the latest wireless standard, ASUS AC66U. And they were so nice that they provided a demo of their interface. That is the dashboard that you can see here. And let's take a quick look, see what we can find. As you can see, that's basic information about the system. We can see straight away that wireless is open system. That's not a good thing. We can change it from here straight away. Let's change it to WPA2. Here we can put a password. Let's say you want to check some more advanced options. Oh, that's a nice one. Guest network. It means that you can provide access to the internet, intranet, wireless, and make sure that they cannot access your devices and servers. That's great. Do you remember my videos about the D-Link router? This is very similar. Take a look, it's LAN, then you can set up the HTTP server. Even though, of course, it's arranged in a different way, tabs are different, names are very similar, and you will find it in the same places. If you want to disable the HCP, you do it here. All new routers will support IPv6 as well. What else? Let's check firewalls, see what's available here. As you can see, basic, enable, disable. Okay, you have URL filtering. Nice, yeah? A lot of routers support that. You say, okay, I don't want anyone to browse Yahoo. Job's done. VPN server, let's see what's here. Okay, this router can be a VPN server. It means that you can VPN, you can connect to the server remotely. PPTP is not the most secure VPN solution. Still, it is an option. What else? I found TP-Link. They have a dedicated website with TP-Link emulators. And here are a few ADSL routers. They have this web demo for almost everything. Switches, routers, wireless access points. Let's check which one. This one. Let's go for that one. Okay, yeah, it is a wireless modem and router. Again, let's check the HCP. Take a look. It is in a very similar. It is designed in a very similar way. You can disable, enable. The HCP relay. It means that you will send the HCP request to another network. Okay, let's check wireless. Basic settings. Do you remember? Disable WPS. Make sure it's disabled. That's TP-Link. D-Link, they have, I think I googled that. I couldn't find the website. I'm pretty sure they have a dedicated website. I just googled it and found it. That's a very similar router that we saw. Netgear, I found it. I couldn't find for the latest Netgear routers. This one will give you access to pretty old Netgear devices. Still, a good place if you want to play with some routers before you go and buy them. Okay, I decided to show you a switch because it's always interesting. You see routers, access points everywhere. It's not that easy to find a switch. And the demo that you could look at, let's take a quick look. TP-Link TLSG2424, very similar to HP, as you can see. Dashboard showing you all ports. You can click and see the port utilization. That's pretty basic. Of course, you can set up your switch from here. It supports, all managed switches will support things like VLAN's quality of service, SNMP, NTP, all protocols that you expect to find on a switch. Again, a great way to learn and verify that a switch, a router, an access point that you're going to buy will support all features that you want, and what's more important, you will find them in a way that, in a place that you expect or expect it, and you will not struggle to set it up when it arrives at your place. To summarize, we discussed how to set up a small office home office router. In this video I showed you how to check if a router that you're going to buy will be okay for you. What you have to remember that unfortunately you will not find a demo for every single router. I couldn't find a good one for the latest Linksys devices, unfortunately. Still, if you want to buy something, Google it and check if you like the interface that you're going to use.